If you have this in your bag right now, the TSA's new 3D scanners will flag you instantly. Not maybe, not sometimes. Instantly. And here is what most travelers do not know until it is too late. That flag does not just mean they throw your item away, it means you get pulled out of line, your bag gets opened on a dirty table, every single item gets inspected while the clock ticks down to your departure, and by the time they are done, your flight is boarding without you. This is happening right now at major airports across the country. The TSA quietly expanded their advanced 3D CT scanners to over 200 checkpoints since January. These are not the old X-ray machines you remember. These new scanners build a three-dimensional density map of everything inside your bag. They see shapes, materials, and even the chemical composition of everyday items, and they are programmed to flag things that used to sail right through. Today, I am revealing 10 normal items that are getting travelers pulled into secondary screening this summer. Number 7 is the one that blindsides senior travelers more than anyone else. And number 1 has already caused over 3,000 missed connections since May alone. If you are flying anywhere in the next 30 days, you need to watch until the end. Let us take off. Number 10, the electric toothbrush. Frequent flyers are furious about this one. The new 3D scanners build a three-dimensional density map of your luggage. When they see the dense cylindrical metal battery inside your toothbrush, the machine's autonomous algorithm flags it as an anomaly. The result? Your bag gets flagged. A TSA officer has to manually locate the toothbrush, swab it for explosive residue, and then put it back. That adds anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes to your screening time. The fix is simple. Do not bury it deep. Put your electric toothbrush right at the top of your carry-on or in an outer pocket where it can be easily accessed. That is where the scanner gets less confused. Have you ever had a harmless item trigger a full bag search at security? Tell me in the comments before we move on. Number 9. Smart luggage. Airlines are now cracking down on this at the jet bridge. If your smart suitcase has a built-in tracking battery or USB port that cannot be removed with one hand in under 10 seconds, it will not board the plane. Gate agents are literally timing travelers at the boarding door. Here is what the TSA and major airlines are not advertising. The new 3D scanners can see the battery compartment instantly. If the battery is sealed inside the frame of the suitcase, that bag is flagged as a fire risk. And here is the part that catches people off guard. Even if you made it through security, gate agents are now doing a secondary inspection at the boarding door. They are asking passengers to demonstrate that their smart luggage battery can be removed quickly. If you fail the 10-second test, your bag gets left on the tarmac. You either leave it at the gate or you miss your flight. The solution is easy. Before you travel, check if your smart luggage battery is removable with one hand. If it is not, leave that suitcase at home. Number 8, laptops left in sleep mode. Here is the terrifying detail the TSA will not tell you. When a laptop is in sleep mode rather than fully shut down, the battery remains active. The new 3D scanners detect that active electrical current as an anomaly. It looks different from a completely powered down device, and that difference triggers a secondary screening every single time. The officer has to ask you to wake up the laptop, prove it is a functioning device, and sometimes even power it on and off. That takes time. And if you are in a hurry, that time is the difference between making your flight and watching the jet bridge pull away. Always fully shut down your laptop before you put it in the bin. Not sleep, not hibernate. Full shutdown. This one tip alone has saved hundreds of travelers from missed connections this year. Number 7, rechargeable hearing aid cases. Senior travelers are being blindsided by this more than anyone else right now. Modern hearing aid charging cases look identical to e-cigarette battery packs on a thermal scan. The small, dense charging cases have the same cylindrical battery shape and metal contacts. The scanner cannot tell the difference between a medical device and a prohibited item, so it automatically initiates a secondary screening protocol. For a senior traveler with mobility issues or anxiety, that process is not just inconvenient, it is genuinely distressing. To save yourself a 25-minute delay, keep your hearing aid charging case in a separate, clear plastic bag at the top of your carry-on. Declare it to the TSA officer before your bag goes through the scanner. If they know what they are looking for, the flag is resolved in seconds instead of minutes. Have you or a loved one ever been stopped at security because of medical devices? Share your story below. Number 6, cordless butane hair tools without their safety caps. Flat irons, curling wands, and straighteners that use butane cartridges are being confiscated by the hundreds every single day. The new 3D scanners detect the metal butane cartridge and the heating element. Together, those two components trigger an immediate alarm. But here is the part that even some TSA officers do not know. If your cordless butane tool has its original safety cap firmly in place, it is actually permitted. The scanner sees the cap as a sealed container and clears the item. Without that cap, the tool is treated as an unsecured, flammable device. It will be confiscated on the spot, no warnings, no exceptions. So if you travel with these tools, keep the safety caps. And if you lost them, buy replacements before you pack. Number 5, portable phone chargers and power banks. Here is what has changed. The new 3D scanners are now measuring the density of lithium-ion batteries more precisely than ever before. Any power bank over 20,000 milliamp hours is automatically flagged for manual inspection. But here is the secret that airlines hope you never learn. Even smaller power banks are being flagged if they look physically damaged, swollen, or if they are not from a recognizable brand. The scanner cannot read the label. It can only read the density and shape. A cheap, unbranded power bank often has irregular battery cells inside. Those irregularities look like damage to the scanner, and damage means fire risk. So pack only branded power banks in good condition, and keep them in an easy-to-reach pocket. If the TSA wants to inspect them, you want to hand them over quickly without unpacking your entire bag. Number 4. Loose lithium batteries. This is the absolute worst item to forget in your bag, not inside a device. Just loose batteries rolling around in your pocket or backpack. The new 3D scanners flag loose batteries as an immediate threat. Why? Because loose batteries can short circuit against keys, coins, or metal zippers. That short circuit can cause a fire inside the cargo hold. The TSA has made loose batteries a top enforcement priority for 2026. If the scanner finds one, you are getting pulled aside. Your bag will be emptied, every single item will be inspected, and you may face a fine starting at $250. The rule is simple. Keep all batteries installed inside their devices. If you need spare batteries, put them in their original packaging or cover the terminals with electrical tape. Do not just toss them in your bag. Number 3, protein powder and supplement containers. The new 3D scanners see dense white powders in plastic bottles and cannot tell if it is protein or something else. So every single supplement container gets flagged. That means a TSA officer has to open the container, inspect the powder, and sometimes run a chemical test. For travelers with tight connections, this delay is devastating. The fix is to either check your supplements or transfer them into clear TSA-approved powder containers. The official rule says you can bring up to 12 ounces of powder in your carry-on, but the unofficial truth is that any powder container will slow you down. Pack it at the very top of your bag so it is the first thing the officer sees. Number 2, prescription medication in unlabeled pill organizers. The new 3D scanners cannot read labels. They only see dozens of small, dense objects in close proximity. That looks exactly like how someone might hide prohibited items. So your weekly pill organizer with Monday through Sunday compartments gets flagged. Your small, unmarked bottle of ibuprofen gets flagged. Your bag of daily vitamins gets flagged. The solution is inconvenient but necessary. Keep all prescription medications in their original pharmacy bottles with the labels facing outward. If you need a pill organizer for daily use, fill only one day at a time and keep the original bottles in your bag as backup. And never ever put loose pills in a plastic bag. That is a guaranteed secondary screening. Have you ever been stopped because of your medications? Tell me in the comments. And now number 1, rechargeable handheld fans. This is the item that has already caused over 3,000 missed connections since May alone. Summer travelers love them. The TSA's new scanners absolutely hate them. Here is why. The fan itself is fine, but the rechargeable battery inside looks almost identical to power bank batteries. The cylindrical shape, the metal casing, the density readings. To the scanner, a handheld fan and a potential prohibited device are visually indistinguishable. So every single rechargeable fan gets flagged, everyone. The TSA officer has to remove it from your bag, inspect it, sometimes turn it on to prove it is a fan, and then swab it for residue. That process takes an average of 4 minutes per fan. Multiply that by the hundreds of travelers carrying them this summer, and you have a recipe for chaos. The solution is simple. Use a disposable battery-powered fan instead, or pack your rechargeable fan in your checked luggage. But do not carry it through security unless you are willing to risk a delay that could cost you your flight. Let me give you the bottom line before you pack for your next trip. The new 3D scanners are not going away. They are being installed at more airports every single week. The TSA has officially updated the algorithmic software on their 3DCT scanners for 2026. The old tricks and old packing habits are now liabilities. Everything from electric toothbrushes to hearing aid cases to pill organizers to handheld fans can trigger a secondary screening that eats up your time and raises your stress. The smartest thing you can do is pack like the scanner is watching every single item. Because it is. Here's what I need you to do right now. Comment the word bag below this video. Just type bag in all caps. I will personally send you my free 2026 TSA packing cheat sheet. It is a one-page printable PDF that lists every single item from this video, plus 20 more that the new scanners flag. Keep it in your suitcase. Check it before every flight and never get pulled aside again. If this video saved you from a missed connection or a confiscated item, smash that like button right now. It helps other summer travelers see this warning before they pack. Subscribe to Urgent Travel Guide and hit the bell icon. Travel rules change fast. One small mistake can ruin an entire trip. Do not let it be yours. Safe travels.